Hey, hi, welcome to Kanan Talks. Right, today I'm going to have my stock, what do I call this as? Mudguard or a number plate holder or just an addition. But after removing this, right, is when I realized how important this bigger part, right, is to save your jacket or your bag, because the water, the mud just splashes from this part directly to your bag or to your head. Trust me, I've seen water splashing until my head too. That's my helmet getting wet. So decided to just put this right back so that I'll be saved from the rain and also the dirt on the road. So I'm going to remove this tail tidy. Right, this is actually a magnetic tail tidy, so which I've got it from HTR Modes, and it's been not even a month. So I'm going to remove this and I'm going to just install this back so that I could be saved from rainwater. I would say I'm an amateur. I don't know the basics about it, so I am going to do some R&D, right? So every time I do some R&D by myself and try to fix a few things, you would have seen my huge installation video, right? Trust me, I did a lot of mistakes, and also you've seen my battery installation video. I've done a lot of mistakes, so I know to the fact I'm going to do some mistakes on this one. Maybe I have to just take it to the garage as well, but there's no harm in trying, isn't it? Let's go for it. So last time I got it removed, I think so the garage guy actually removed the wire just like that. This time I have to just make sure that I have the right wires fixed, right, and I have to do a lot of stuff. So let's get started. I did tell this guy to tighten it. The HRD Mods guys, I don't know what's wrong with them. See, I told him not to remove this bolt, but he did remove this bolt. It's supposed to go here. I had asked him to tighten it when I didn't notice, when he didn't notice. I was shocked to see that in HRD Modes they didn't tighten any of the screws, to be frank, right? And I came home and I just saw my ram mount screws were very loose, and ram mount, tail tidy, all the screws are actually not done. Should I be blaming them or should I blame myself? So if I do look at I didn't get the work done for free. So basically they're supposed to be doing everything without me asking. I have to say the situation was a little bad on that day for the HRD Mods because they had some complication with the BBMP guys. I think so I picked the wrong day for them. Perfect. So let me remove this.
என்ன தெரிகிறது?
Left and the right indicator. The small wire goes to. Okay, if you look at it, so this is the tail tidy. So I have the wires over here, which just goes right below this and gets connected to the something over there. So since I have my wires shortened up, so I'm just thinking if I have to just connect it directly over here. So this one and this one. So okay, if my guess is right, this is actually for the left one and this for the right one. I have to be more extra careful for this one because I'm sure, like, I don't know what I'm doing. So I hope everything works fine. Here we go. So this is Powertronic. So you'll be wondering, like, I did say I've removed Powertronic. This is actually what do you say? I still have the wirings all. You see, these are the wires, right? So I still have the wiring, so I have to just get that removed. But until then, I need to have my stock settings on. So this was the mode for the stock setting. So I had to just install it. So removed Powertronics, their settings, and put back the stock settings. So let's get started. Something which I'm not supposed to do. I don't know. I did something. I don't know if this has to get locked over here. I swear to God, I'm scared now. I have to get this particular clamp fixed over here. Now actually I don't know how to do it, but we'll figure out a way without breaking it. That is going to be the challenge. Let's see.
Hello? யாரா இருக்கீங்களா?
Thank God. How it should be. I've got the wires fixed. You see? Let's see if this works. Left indicator, okay, check. Right indicator, working, check. Okay, now we have successfully connected the indicators. Now the time comes to fit. So let's get going. Now comes the difficult part, as I said. Alright. The fixing of this particular part. I'm sure there should be an easy way to do it. I'm not quite sure about it. I'm going to find one. You're right. If I'm not going to find one, I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I have to remove few more screws and then have to do the fitments.
முடியல
கஷ்டப்படு. Yes. I finally fixed it. This was a crazy exercise, trust me when I say this. So these are pretty lengthier bolts, so I am going to go to the shop and just get, I think it's a 1-inch bolt, 1-inch screw for this one. See you sometime. It was very difficult to find this bolts, right? This usually comes, what do you say, factory, and luckily I just found this particular bolts. It took almost half hour for me to find it. And tighten it really well so that it doesn't shake. So here you go. So I have this fixed. So let me just do one more testing. So I have to just say the right one. So right indicators, both indicators are working, and the left one and the left indicators both are working. Amazing. So I have to just get back to the pictures. At last, my stock mudguard is fixed. I'm sure, like, this is not going to save me from the splashes, but it will definitely save at least 70% of the time. So rather my helmet getting hit, most of the splashes will be handled by this number plate here, right? And I think so I can just ride peacefully, thinking that not much is going to get dirtier, right, with my bike. Thank you so much. Happy Diwali to all. And yes, burst crackers, be safe, have fun. And at the same time, safety is also important. Thank you so much for watching Karan Talks, and have a great one. Bye-bye.